Hi friends, I am going to tell you how to make a gun with connector pens. I am going to take 15 connector pens out of my 25 connector pens. First take one connector pen and join another connector pen to it like this. Then take another 4 connector pens and join it like this at the bottom, and do not let it be fold, like it should be like this. Then and on the top make like that only and fold it. You could also fold the downer part. Take more 2 connector pens and keep at the back, which we had the fold, like we have put in and fold. Put it in on this and another pen on that. Then it will look like this. Move this up like this. It was first like this, then move it up. Then take 3 more pens, connector pens, and join it like this, which was like this. Join it like this and join this like this. It will look like this. Now take another connector pen and join like this. Take another connector pen and join. It will look like this then. And it could be move also like this. Then the leftover pens, you take this and try to modify it. I am going to modify like this on the top. Then I am going to take another connector pen and put it like on the on this, which we had folded on this. And take the blue pen and put on blue. You could take another pen also then like this. It will look like this. And the last 3 pens put like this. Now last 2 pens put like this, and the left 2 pens put like this and fold it. It's like this. I will kill a down. Thank you for watching.